the middle block or that from your Nico Lomium or the America, the head of the America, the Papa Mascoda, the little Bobo, come look at your near when you Russia there, and the Mascobia, Hogola, that's what.
So here's what we're asking. We're asking the Trump administration to put direct and harsh pressure on both Russia and China, who continue to arm and fund the brutal Burma military regime.
Donald Trump, a corner they part up with a brine, suddenly where Russia dot the rule, where a he your at that sugar way door at that loaded pump.
Next, we also call on the U.S. government to direct Thailand and put pressure on Thailand. As we've seen, their prime minister is beginning to hold hands with the Burmese military to get them to stop doing that. That's going to be a very serious issue.
Okay, what I got to look Kikakane, Somla, the Donald Trump administration did all, where the top me, you, Kayun, Yuna, Kokone, where the Tibatala, where Masquerade, where the Yomo.
We also need to expose the NUG, National Unity Government, that says that they speak on behalf of all the ethnic people when in fact they do not. In fact, the Burman elites, every time federalism has been tried since 1959, it has all resulted in totalitarian regimes, again oppressing every ethnic people. The only answer is independent states for each of the people.
Okay, where the Kabakala NUG, where Hell Kodokotoy, they were where Chettle could do the power or where Tokuro made the Kalama. Taliban at the Meva. Tale Plane, Bamukula, Tale NUG, I keep Burmelina kept your Dosonia, your Labatata Panaki, key or the key, they need to the Junior, gave Kunati a lot of them. I come at the Histomo, a Pava pilot for the do. What he is a
This is not just about justice anymore. Now it's about strategy. A strategy to really understand the vision of the president and his stand for freedom and democracy around the world. In that position of strength, this is an opportunity.
Kenan tak so wani hana lagi ko
ni chilo dala kema ni hale lepas cable kwa li ha cable kwa li
Remember, we're never alone. We have each other.
Away to kho tha so sa ba chilo dala kama
all pledging their support, standing with us.
ayi ko yana.
That's powerful. We have each other. We can never forget. We're never alone. First and foremost, we have God. We have God that we can look to for His guidance, His will, His purpose in our lives. We've all seen the paintings of Karen people farming, having their families. It looks so peaceful. We have to get back to that day that it's not just paintings, that it's the reality today. And we do that by making Kathule great again.
Wow.
You've won the hearts of Ambassador Brownback and many others that share your story. 2 months ago when we were here, myself and Than So, and we got to meet with the Thai ambassador, the Taiwanese, and he shared a story a long time ago. He knew about the Karen people. He knows about the struggle for freedom. And how the Burmese tried to imitate the flag, and they changed the flag because they didn't have any resemblance from the Burmese. You have no idea the influence you have. What's outstanding We stick together. We never give up. May God bless you.
เราไว้เลยเราใช้ยังเขาว่าช่วยว่าช่วยเราว่าด้วย
ကျွန်တော်ဒီကနေ့အကေဝစီလုံးခေါ်လဲ
เรา
ဘာလဲ
มา
ပဲ
ใน
ရှိ
ใน
တယ်
ที่เรา
ကျွန်တော်
เราเรื่องเราด้วยแต่การเราเราที่ว่าเกียรติอ่ะเตเลวิยอกလို့
ဟိုတော့ပြောနော်ဆက်ဆွေးပြီးပါမယ်
ဒီကလည်းကလည်းဒီကလည်း
Dr. Kevin, thank you so very much for all your hard work for our cramp people. Kevin, for that, because all of us right here, thank you so very much. We appreciate your time. Kike ne bakalala pa goda kiga gano. When it kami wada Padrado Tuto Kelo like kiss you, no? Second speaker, can be Pastor Tuto Kelo.
Lo mo.
Kalau pun ada di mana, when they had to lah, sorry semua kita lalu traffic buat, bila parking time kan kalau no, kemudian ni hari ni perkelela first solo dance, no, awak don't dance performance, awak ni kami ada, pada muku pon, okay, kita kita sekarang udah sipu, letak kita bawa, no, kayak ini perkelela tak kayak torka, pakai ketura kiri second speaker gonna be Pastor Tuto Kelo le KCU ni mana Kelo hila dah sejalan sibu
So sawalo bata nila ke kuada. Badi tino solo di ko bata kami buat kasipa la te wada ke nyomo pho. Ko solo. Able. Ini
okay wita suna awak ni not dia pada wita suba klay dah ke sini na kita pada nyor ke ke bola kita sena not dia pada klay dah ke sini na okay dah sudah set buat klay dah kan ni wita
So later we doing again to take a picture together.
I think we just do it with the camera.
Oh, okay.
Because people say it's really tired and the whole But I think we encourage everyone to take it down. So we can come up close and have an intimate gathering.
okay di atas solito. Itu ada di bawah kudara pepat kita not dia khani do. Nah, betau kita sawalo ko beta. La teniya me muni la lido puedo. La puedo nyabo la ko do benya. La pepa phara ba beta la tido ko le. Dari da beni bata khweta ya. Abla ti ko abdu bwa. Tu lo mu bwa puedo nyopo ti pha. He da obo nyo omu khu. Du no thora le thoba ti ko le ti be ko be bu. Agoda da po da bata khweta ya. La ta buta ba me ge ni da la pa pa pharo. Bwa ke ta ge ta klo po da ta khweta ya ta ke ble. La pa buta ba da me ge la pa si to da me ge ko. Awai me pa si le ge ta ti ta to sa tu do yo do. La pa bu ba pa su na o ta so wa ata ma se wa ko ni no. Agoda ta ni ne me ta ke so le. Ku to ta la ko do be nya. La ba thara pa ta he da pa ke so da ko bwe. La me kinyo ko ti ba pata ge ta klo la ku phara we ko ta do me ta ge ka do lo akoda po le pa he ko ga de di do ti nya ba ta ge ta klo lo ti lo se he kwa ti kwa me ge he kwa ti kwa ja kwa la ta ge ta klo tu le ni me ta me ni le ni ba ta no ni da ti nya wa li ta no ni ti nya ba akoda me ta la pa phara ge Allah u we he ta le san le to le bu le se le ni le ba ko ni ko ge ti ko ko dai
Finally, king and queen.
Kami buat dile, kita buat dile. Kita pada buat buat me buat.
Oh, jadi kuna.
Kuna, lepas bagi tu lah, tak berbagi kerana. Kita buat buat ni bang. Buat kita kita ya, lepas kita masuk.
Dia lama lah.
Lepas kita di kita betul buat aku. Orang ni tak suka. Aku dah lepas kita lepas ni pakai mata menilai, pakai tiada menilai. Lepas kita nak buat lepas salah aku dah kita nyawa. Dah pakai toro beli su tiga betul buat. Lepas kuat ni ke Allah wala ke tidur tiga kuat ni ke aku dah ke lepas pakai tiada menilai ni tiada tiada aja. Lepas aku dah pakai tiada menilai ni. Yang ke pala kalau ni tu. Kita telefon awak ke pala kalau tu.
Nó cực quá cu rồi. Cái này.
nó này nó u đó cụ bố
Bà u cho
hả
kêu còn.
thì nó có mấy
Bà
tí
cô
qua
đó
nó có mấy tí qua nó cụ thể này được chỉ số cái cái đó aku dah tahu itu ni, we ni mula kau tu le kenyo kemle atau apa pelang, no? Orang pemik kau tu le tiba kau tu le kemle pun tidak apa, pura peta, bobatnya peta apa pelang ni di belong. Su Amerika kau donate trap,
Kilo dah le.
tiba kau kela.
Đâu
Kita ni, sudah kau Amerika dah kau.
Nhà phố. Kilo dah, 3 kilo dah. Kilo dah.
Make America great again, no. Thế bên mình có ba thế khác. Chứ mình có thể phải là ô tô chạy ta binyo. Ta đôi chút ta có chút luôn một cái có bu. Đó tu qua thế cái cái gì mà.
3 kilo dah.
Wah, tak kesal pula. Tak kesal pula.
Kilo dah le di nya tu.
Kila tadi ni nyai. Weh, itu kau ibu dah. Ada tak pernah ni nak. Ubah kucu mau weh.
Cái này
Le backland ni dina kau.
nó phun người. Ở đó có đây giá mà. Nó cho này mà, đây là.
Jauh ni etito.
Ada zaman le tu lah.
Etito oleh, jangan ni lah oleh. Alah. Awak kehewa dah. Pasti aku lucu dulu.
Lagi, tak kilo di mana mah? Tulis.
Tak tulis pula.
The United States government and the people of the United States of America, with utmost respect, we stand in solidarity with the United States of America and the peace
Some boy.
and God will bless the
Pardon.
of the Make America Great Again vision. We, as former
Pas tak kilo
refugees,
di mana lah?
found it grateful for love, kindness, and wholehearted welcome extended to us upon our arrival. Your nation provided us with a safe haven, allowing us to drive.
Cái kilo dah le mà. Lấy hả này? Kilo, tak kilo boleh kilo dah le. Macam tu kan?
Future leaders capable of
No stable lah.
We are immensely proud of
Cái mì luôn à?
and words
Ở bên nó suốt rồi. Oh mẹ. Đây là cái món trộn à? Aje. Banyak aku terlalu pandu bayar. Terlalu lah ya.
Dah lah.
Terlalu lah. Entah apa. Dia mana ke peti bagi lalu haki. Lepas lagi sikit keluar je. Tak kilo di mana?
Nak kecok kucingnya nana.
Oh, tidak ada kacang. Okey, tak kilo di mana? Tak kilo di mana? Macam ni lah cara kara. Naik dah. Heka ke bawah ya?
Heka di tu ni heka ni lah.
Ya.
Eh,
tak kilo di mana? Oh, dah hingga balu dah mau.
Currently, our people endure severe oppression under the State Administration Council SAC. The Burmese military, they are subjected to torture, rape, and murder. How can we remain passive while our families and compatriots are persecuted? Daily artillery, shelling, and aerial bombardments from jet fighters destroy villages, churches, and temples, resulting in escalating casualties and growing refugee crisis. These displaced individuals urgently require food, shelter, healthcare, and security. We are deeply grateful to our brother Dr. Shan an American witness to the SAC's atrocities. He has graciously offered to represent us and present our plight. We extend our sincere gratitude to Dr. LaChapelle. Despite our perceived significance in the global context,
a little bit.
facilitating our access to the White House.
လောသားလေးမောနော်
ဒီကနောက်စားပြီတို့တက်တော့ကြ
တို့ရူလေ
တို့ရ
မာသာဘေဘရနဖောမ
တို့နေရပြီဖို့ပြီ
ယေတော့အေတော်ရလိုက်မာလေးနာကနေလိုက်Ale chilo dale ya de. Bole bole le la.
Tingle ko ko na mo pa. Ai ba yu chot chot de ti ta so da ko mo ni no. The ti ni ko ko do ve pa ma thwa ni no. Pa gi ba ba ko mu la ta le tu ni no. Tu me to ma lo kwe ni pa ta mu la su nya. Ko ke he di le ki wai pa.
Bole ya pa.
Ti to so ko mo la, ti to so ko mo ja le ko ba ma so ba. Me pa ta fe ti nya do ti a tu ani no.
Why do we find it necessary to repeatedly come before the White House? It is a matter of vital importance for our people because the Burmese military dictatorship has forcefully seized control of our country, our homeland. They have inflicted immense destruction and brutally murdered our people. We believe that you are a leader, a guiding figure, chosen by Providence to wield power. Your voice carries immense weight, capable of influencing the world, and thus, we place our hope and expectations in you. Should our hopes remain unfulfilled, we will be compelled to return to the White House in the future. We earnestly hope that you will consider and support our cause. This is our most profound appeal to you.
Ko lui he ek le pa da so kha thi ko pwe de ta mo ta ku do ta te lo du me ek le la ke thi ko su bi su bu do ko ki ne ta so ta ko mo ke ro mo so ro dictatorship lo pa su pa so choti ma no ki bo ko bo ko lu tu do ma to ma tro ba ma ti ma wa ma le ma plo genocide du mu sa de ni no thi ko la ke do de u bu ba do ke to ni ke da lo ko lo ko lo ko do bi me nya tu no de ba me me lo ma so ro ko thi ko a be ma so ko a gi ba su ma la ta ma tro ba do ma ti ma wa ka lu ko ni no sa bi la la tu so te ni di to thi ko a ru la ba tu ta ma so tu mo so ro la te gi a ko ni lo.
During the period of the British administration, our country experienced relative peace and freedom. However, upon the granting of independence, the Burmese military seized power and established a dictatorial regime. This regime has ruled with an iron fist, oppressing the people and ethnic groups with cruelty, including acts of rape, murder, and genocide, which continue to this day. Tragically, no nation has consistently stepped forward to protect, assist, or advocate for us on the international stage. Conversely, the SAC, or the Burmese dictator military government, receives support from several countries, bolstering its military strength and enabling its continued assaults, acts of sexual violence, and killings of our people. We earnestly implore you to exert pressure on these supporting nations to seize their assistance to the SAC dictator military government.
We have a drama here
Yeah.
from on the wind Australia.
January 30 Australia. There is a queen. What the Mudo Person Aquag da. Do they put the manera? Miller, Papa did that at Chico Abe for the law. Again, Chico Abe, Master to Monsoro, who Luba did that shot Master Letamano Gonilo. But the two got to go to Lela, where the blade that you got head on democracy, not Satasino Palata, self-determination law.
On January 31st, 1949, the Kotule Army began leading and protecting our people. Despite our continued struggle, victory has remained elusive due to the support many countries provide to the Burmese dictator regime. We urgently need your support to achieve victory in this fight. Together, we can build our nation based on equality, democracy, and self-determination.
America belum kalau kami tak berada di tempat yang kita perlu apa belum mana. Kami masalah dah kita sebut kali. Awak ni awak dah lepas masuk terus kalau dah.
What no share? Pak Tibana.
The United States of America prioritizes the security and rights of its citizens, which is commendable.
None
Within legal
pequeña lo sabe le
framework,
tola.
acts of violence and molestation are considered
Te
serious
lo saco cuando
offenses,
viene coche.
leading to
Na re
legal
pequeña na
enforcement and the
pequeña ni.
possibility of civil lawsuits.
backlog.
The government provides protection and
So,
security to victims, often including
B3 na.
measures to prevent contact between
Mira ni ke ba mi ba. B3 na.
ကိုကြီးဒီနေ့တော့ပြောသူမဆိုးလို့မရှိမှဆိုမှတော့ပါတိမဝမလေးမတော့ဒီစားတော့ရင်ဒါတော့လည်းမကမတော့
Como darle no le ifa.
โอ้อีฟ้าโอ้เลยဒီကောလည်းဒီနေ့ဝလောလောလောကိုမတ်လို့နာဆက်ရမှာဆိုတော့
Tan ni yang.
တော့ပါဒီကောလည်းတော့တယ်တာတော့ပါတော့
Ni la na
In
ka
stark
na.
contrast,
Ta pa ta ba eh. Da da wi wi dia.
abuse, molestation,
Da da wi wi dia. La web da le la.
and genocide. Actions that constitute
Dia kan rolen la da.
La na ma lo lo kiam le pla.
Da ya ti wi wa le ya ki pa choi ba.
serious actions
Ati lo me nya.
atrocities.
Lep ko ai ti na dia.
Some actively support
Ki pa
this
choi dai ba.
regime, desperately need your care, protection, and defense.
Ada da.
ကိုကိုဒီမှာဆလူအတေးဒီကိုပေါ်ပြီးပါပါကအားကြီးလာတယ်ဘုရားဒီကစတဲ့တာလေအဖက်တရပြီးတော့ဒီဘောဒီကိုပေါ်တာနေလဲဆိုတော့သူတို့က
Ba da pu la ba. Da ba le ni. Ba da pu. Ni ya na la wa de na da si so de. Ju tu. Kan na ta ni ju tu. Da ba le. Kala fat. Kala fat.
While we deeply appreciate
not
the
her, not
long-standing
her, yeah.
effort for our people as refugees,
Ni ni ni.
our
Wala man.
ultimate and most pressing need to secure freedom,
Oi,
independence,
ba ka.
and fundamental rights. These
Ya
are
da ka
essential
la.
for our swift return to our
Yalan
homeland,
chay.
Gothule, where we are determined to rebuild peace and prosperity. Our ancestral land, Gothule,
Abi da.
is rich in precious natural resources.
Nebu
We
wana me.
implore you to provide
Nebu,
care
nebu,
and
nebu,
protection for our people during this challenging time.
အခုပြီးဘုရားပတိပကောပတ်သူလေဟောဖို့ကလည်းလို့ပဲဒီတော့ပတိပကောအကေဘောပတ်သူလေအတော့ကေဘောပတ်သူလေဇမီလို့အကေဘောလည်းလို့ပဲနော်ပတ်စတော့ပတ်စတော့ကိုတော့ပတ်သူလေတိကောကေဘောဘုရားကတော့တာလာပါလာတာတာပရာအတိကိုတော့
Wah.
We possess a
Got B fan though.
nation. The Gothule map, the country body, and the Gothule government body. We hereby submit these Gothule country bodies, along with documentation detailing the establishment of the Gothule government and its governance, for your information.
အခုဒီ January ရက်ကောင်းဒီလိုပြရလို့ရှိခေါ်နေတာတည်းလည်း
Ni na da ke ya.
ဒီရှိကောဒီရလို့ရှိခေါ်တယ်ရာလာတာကလို့နေအဲဘာတော့ဘောပါရာလာဒီဖဲလာဝဲတာဘာသာတာဟာဆူတော့ကိုတာသူတော့ကိုသူလေချိကောတဘလေကိုသူလေပတုဒီနေ့တော့ဒီနေ့တော့စိကောဒီကောကလည်းမြဝတာ All India Radio Pakistan BBC VOA Australia
Ba plek ten na na se la de no.
ကိုသူလေပတုဒီစိကောနေတော့
On January 5th, 1948, the Gothule radio station broadcast a declaration to the world announcing the
Ada lucky there. The last after
establishing of Gothule independence and the Gothule government. This significant event was subsequently reported by international broadcasting stations such as All India Radio, Radio Pakistan, the BBC, VOA, and Australian radio.
Lucky today, I could sit down in the January yet or Kito Kishifuni. January yet or Kito Sala. Kito Kishifuni, not like a Sunya. But the Malak Polata Posamania, Pokamalak Polata, the blame on you know. The block around the Telibasara, the thing out the Baba, but the yellow letter, the beer, the yellow villa, for Serpo Futanino, the blame in law, Mark Revenue. Let us put up Kiro Kishifuni, January Yatane, but the Sarah Malak Pogamina, for Tule, the blame we need. When a Peluba Gado, that is all America, VOA, BBC में गए और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में गए पाकिस्तान में गए लग रहा है कि लोग सब अफवाह तो बोलने हुए मैं बता के दिलाने रहा जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया अमेरिका के को तो ले tipo को कमला का बाला अमेरिका में नुई तो एक तो किसी यानी
Commencing on January 5th, 2026, and in all subsequent years, we will commemorate Kotule Independence Day. We respectfully request the assistance of American social media platforms and news outlets in broadcasting this occasion to a wider global audience. God bless America. Presentation of the Kotule Karen people, United States of America, May 7th, 2025.
Kablo mana ke awe kabu batnya la sor khana awe pakamna de la khela kaise muda men open babuda sule ole ole le no la khela kaise na ko ta ben khela kaise to pe la la ki belik bade ka pa te wale bang bata di ka ko da nyam pe I me ko ra ye me ko ra tin mi la program de khabar khana ke to wale ko dota ko di pas di ko
ne ra be ma ba le ba cheto le ke be na ra ben le ra
pa ko khu le khela kaise le
de se nya ba bi
kaise le pa ta le ku pa kana pa
ne de se nya ra te da ki fit ne
ko no kita su eda ke buat as bako ade no wala pang badati pang ubul tam yang sama okay kablo la awa pe hi ka permit ne ba hi wala nok la be la no le ta nya be da sin no ka di ba na me no sin no di la no le ta nya be awa ne pe hi ka permit le nok la la ta he ta ba ko ni eda ma la ki ba ne no le ta la ki ba le lo o ko ta la ni no ita ti ke ta ko ne ke na ni bi ko no okay kablo do ma ke ba ke le la awa pa ka to lo da awa ni Saya kan, awal ini kami ada Ramu Jersey King la Australia ada keba, na aku dikai, ada kau berba, Ramu Jersey la, tapi yang ni lah, na. That's really ba.
W wala record takuti badu yami mele no jonsi king ye hele ko Australia मेले टाइ ब्लॉने यह बासी वाशिंगटन डीसी लुसी ये नी बेसने खिब्लॉट ब्लॉलो डाले सोकट ब्लॉने ले यह सु ले बुकुई पर करंट डे ने यह बात ब्लॉ दो ये कटो बात दो ठिबादु तु दो ताकुटी बादु दो मेले ये कटो डाले कोलवा क्लॉ दितो पा कोलवा ते फारे समक कनापे वनो दे ले पदु खाबु के अवे ट्रेन get interpret loni le wakin yok lo le sepo no me. Dear beloved brothers and sisters, community, I stand before you today with a heart full of grateful to God, of love and a spirit of resilience. I thank the President of the United States of America for giving us and his administration team for giving us this opportunity. And I thank the organizers of the event, Dr. Kevin LaChapelle and the Power Mentors and its entire team. They've been working so hard, so I really appreciate your ongoing support and ongoing guidance to this cause. May I extend a special thank to Senator Dean Smith in Western Australia that he has been unwavering, supporting and encouraging the community for the Karen cause as well. To my fellow Karen brothers and sisters and advocates for freedom and human rights worldwide, I urge you to stand with us in this pivotal moment. We endure unimaginable suffering, but we remain resilient. We call upon the international community, particularly US leaders, to take bold action to support of our request for an end to human rights violations, self-governance and preservation of our culture, literature and religion freedom. Accountability for those responsible for atrocities. Humanitarian aid through existing Karen organization and trusted channels, because most of our aids and grants never reach the grassroots. This need to change. Your presence and voice matter. Together we can create a difference. Let us march forward with hope, courage, and the unwavering belief in every person deserves dignity, peace, and freedom. Let us celebrate our rich history and culture and our honor the values that make us strong, respect for elders, strong family bonds, community cooperation, and the importance of education and culture preservation. Where everywhere Karen goes, we grow. We have in 40 different countries. We grow everywhere. We grow everywhere we go. So I'm really proud of my Karen people. May the power of love, hope, and faith guide us, and may the way, the truth, and the life illuminate our path and set us free. Let us stand together and make our voices heard on Karen Day, May the 7th. We will not be forgotten. We faced these challenges, and we hope that we can create a better future from today. And I thank you, Dr. Kevin LaChapelle and Power Mentors and the Global Korean community for your dedication and support. Let us make our voice be heard and stand united for freedom, justice, and the
It's
rights
about
of
to
the
give
Korean
thanks to the
people
United States of
will not be
America. They
forgotten.
welcome us.
Moya Suedu, Kinyodo
Making our country.
Sokobobo,
Right. Are we suffering?
Kedosole,
Got no freedom.
Yako, Moya
We're
Suedu.
free. Yeah. So just give thanks
Where are you from?
So Kafule, look at that. Look at that. You see?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know.
There's new country. Very soon.
Where?
They be treated
Burma
Burma and Thailand.
Interesting.
News will be recognized by the world, the U.S.
Yeah.
You know, many people fight for their freedom. Huh?
Right. Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, you see the. Oh, I mean, I have to. Sekarang watch out. Let me check. Dah ya. le zoom ma le zoom
I want to do wrong with Paglu. I want to recognition that the blade, the ability to play on the blade, so Kayla will be what I got to Lila Shamulane. When I Paglu, let it look up book of learn. Look up book of dot pin and brought up the Domara. Seberapa tu pun nak sana weh, olah online, Zoom, jadi nak buat pulau, nak kini, bagaimana nak ikut,
lukuna dah luku papago le papago papago kenya pula Americana kenya pula Americana pula kau lagi
Ini yang lain.